What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. Today we're back at Insurance Auto Auctions here at Oklahoma City for another walk around. Let's jump into this video today and see what we find. So the last video we left off with this GMC or Chevy 2500 heavy duty Duramax. I put it on the watch list. It's at $1,100 right now. It says it was an engine burn, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I looked it over. I never saw anything that looked like it had been burned. So we're gonna keep our eyes on it because I don't know. I'm not entirely sure the listing is correct on that one, but we'll find out if we win it. Let's roll along, see what we find. A Mustang, old V6, never mind. I can already see it's hitting the front, or no? No, it's not. This isn't too bad. I mean, it's rough. It's definitely a little rough. You know, a fresh paint job, clean the headlights, clean the wheels. It might not be too bad, especially if it's a manual transmission car. It's interesting, it's red on top and black everywhere else. Ooh, well, she's, yeah, no, you know, no. No, I need to stop with stuff like this. You know what I mean? I gotta, come on. And let's be real, I got enough Mustangs at the house right now. I don't need another one. I don't need another Mustang. We're getting into the section of the yard here that I really enjoy. And a lot of these are gonna be, I mean, there's still a lot of insurance cars out here too, but a lot of these are gonna start becoming donations, pedal cars, donation cars, things of that nature. I really enjoy those because they're such a mixed bag. You don't really ever know what you're getting into, man. And I think that's kind of cool. I enjoy that. Genesis 3.8, love a Genesis. This one took a gnarly hit in the back there, probably frame damage. I guarantee you frame damage. Still, ooh, God, some of the smells that come out of these cars, it makes me wonder, how do people do it? You know, like seriously, how are people riding around in cars that smell that bad? Like, don't you know when you get into your car that it smells like ass? I'm just like, for me, I would notice. I would get in my car, I'd be like, wow, this car smells like ass. I probably ought to clean it, ozone it, you know, detox it. I do something. I could not ride around. I sure as hell wouldn't let people in my car. You know, if you get in my car and it smells like someone shit in the back seat, we're not doing it. You know what I mean? I couldn't have you in my car. Oh, wow. Now this is what I'm talking about. Car Donation Foundation, 106,000 miles, 93 Volvo 240. Okay, hold up, wait a minute. Look at this. Oh, I'm a sucker for old cars. See, I don't even care. Most of the old cars I buy is American cars, you know? But something like this just catches my attention. It's got power? Oh, man. I should send this to Monkey Wrench Mike, but I won't. Oh, the smell. Now that's old. Oil change, 8 of 24, 10 October 2024. So this car was being driven recently. Oh, come on. Come on. You can do it, man. You were just on the road. I promise you. You run. Does it have gas? Yeah, it's got gas. Are you serious? I love this thing. Holy crap. Whoa. Hey, it's a good thing I'm sitting in the safest car on the planet right now, right? It sounds like it's got no fuel. It sounds like it's got a gate to it too, you know? All right, I get it. You don't run. And look at this door handle. How cool is this? This is a cool old car. I love this thing. I do. Now, I'd love to know how to open the hood because I'd like to just take a peek, and there it is right there. Oh, where is it? Is this it? Oh my goodness. Well, if it ain't open, it ain't gonna open. This is an awesome old car, man. All right, let's see. The hood's trying to open. We just got to figure out where the, there it is. Oh, how cool. Somebody just put a new battery in it. March of 2024. Somebody also recently put new struts in it too. Yeah, somebody was taking care of this. Somebody was taking care of this. Dallas Elect Auto Center. You got a vacuum diagram. I'm looking for a timing belt service. Yeah, I don't know what that is. I don't see anything that says anything about a timing belt service. Normally, they put a sticker under here for you, but Volvo, another new strut, just a basic little 4-cylinder, single overhead cam. It is leaking coolant pretty significantly. Looks like out of the water pump seal. R134A. What year is this? 93? That was an important phone call. Another Florida flood car is on its way to AAR headquarters. Anyway, guys, so to me, it sounds like, I mean, if the timing belt was off, you'd know it. If the timing belt had broken, you'd know it. So I don't think it's going to be a timing belt issue. Maybe the timing belt slipped. That's a possibility, and it's out of time. Or honestly, it just sounds like it's not getting any fuel. So I mean, it could be something as simple as a fuel pump or a relay or a fuse or something. Who knows? But this is cool, man. This is cool. I really like this car, and this goes up for auction tomorrow, man. So it's got good tires. I am a little curious. Like, it does concern me a little bit that it doesn't run. You know what I mean? Just a little bit that it doesn't run. Because it seems like somebody was taking really good care of it. Like, somebody loved this car. And they were maintaining it, and then they were like, nope, get rid of it. So it is a little concerning to me that there could be something a little more sinister going on with this. Hopefully the other wheel is in the trunk or hubcap. Is this a hubcap? Yeah, just a hubcap. You can probably find that on eBay. Overall though, man, nice looking little car. A lot of character. This is something I'd love to bring to the channel and see if we can get running. So it's kind of interesting. This is listed as a run and drive. And I totally forgot about it because I literally showed you guys right here. It says it's a run and drive. However, it doesn't currently run. It's currently at $1,250. And, you know, if it ran all day long, I'd be on this for $1,250. So the question is, did it just mysteriously break after it got here? Has somebody gotten in here? And you know this happens all the time. Did somebody get in here and mess around with something and cause it not to run? I mean, it could be something as simple as they pulled a fuse, they pulled a relay. It could be something even more like they pulled a wire or something. It's hard to say, and that's the scary part, because if they did something crazy like snip a wire or pull a wire, if I don't know where that wire is, that can make figuring it out a whole lot more difficult. So it's one of those I'm going to keep my eyes on, but at $1,250, me knowing that it doesn't run, it's something I'm just going to have to be kind of cautious about, guys. So anyway, it's on the watch list. I got a lot of cars on the watch list this week, guys, like more than normal. I have found quite a few cars out here today that I am very interested in. So maybe we'll find some more. But we're getting, we're not quite to the end yet. We're getting close though. We're getting close in. And I know some of you probably just spotted the GMC Safari out of your peripheral, right? You're like, I saw that, sorry, Chevy Astro. No, 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 no. We've looked at it before. It has been parked for like 20 years. There's water full in the oil, blown head gasket, and it's full of spider webs, mouse poop. Like, it is, that one is incredibly bad. It's not gonna happen. Oh, hey, this one's still here. Little Chevy Spark, junk title. Can't believe it, junk title. It says it's a run and drive. It's not. It's not a run and drive. It does not run and drive at all. But they totaled this, sorry, not totaled, junked. This has a junk title. It can never be put on the road again. And the reason why, they claimed it was hail. However, the only dent in this car was, you can't even hardly see it right there. Just look, you see it, there it is. That dent is, I mean, just look around. There's no hail damage on this car, guys. I was out here on a bright sunny day There's no hail damage on this car, so that one's a little sketchy. We looked at this one already. This is an LS300, right? SC300, yes, SC300. We've seen this one before. Boy, it's still here. I bet car donations, the Cars for Kids, I bet they're really wishing they had not accepted this. I thought for sure it'd sell. I mean, I bought it. Oh, wait a minute. That's right. I bought it. That tells you a lot, right? That truck was a disaster. Runs and drives, but the transmission doesn't shift and the engine knocks. So there's that. We got a couple of Priuses sitting here for sale. What's going on with you? Weasley. I'm not gonna bid on that one. I'm not even interested in that one. Let's see what else we got. Are we running out? I think we're running out of cars. Man, not nearly as many donations as there was before. It looks like they've sold quite a bit since I was here last too. We've seen that Windstar or Aerostar, or whatever they call it. We saw the Acura behind it too. Subaru here is wrecked. What else we got? No, that one, the Hyundai. I had a lot of you ask about this, so since we're over here, why not go ahead and address it real quick? And no on that BMW, that's been here for months. Like they can't give that car away. No, Anyway, this one right here, I was very interested in this. I thought this would be a good project for the channel. It's a very well optioned 1.6 turbo. This is a nice car, like 160,000 miles, 150, 160,000 miles on it. It's listed as a run and drive. However, I could barely get the thing to run. And then when I did get it running, it was barely running. It also has a sticker on the back where apparently it was going to be impounded because it was an abandoned vehicle. So there's something wrong with it. It's down a cylinder, maybe two, and it doesn't like to start. Like it did not want to start. Aside from that though, like the body looks great. The interior, honestly, looks great. And I had so many of you asking, what's going on with the Hyundai? Well, I'm gonna tell you guys, when I left the auction, this thing's at like $5,500. And I had to walk away. I was like, are you serious? Right? $5,500. No, that's not gonna happen. I am certain there's something very wrong with the engine. Maybe it could be fixed easily and maybe not. But I'm not gonna spend $5,500 to find out not on something like that. I'm sorry. I don't know what the retail is. I don't know what it would be worth. It is a clean title, but again, it's got something really wrong with it. So is there anything else out here? What's going on with the Mercedes? What the hell happened to this? Title Max. From Wichita, Kansas, an E350. Nah, we're gonna walk right on past this. This little Honda Odyssey, this has been here for literally months and months, hasn't gone anywhere. Across the way here, we do have some, oh yeah, that Camaro SS, which who knows, is it a real SS or not? Maybe not. It says RS, it's funny. It says RS on the side, and then on the front it says SS. What is it, 327? You got the opposing checkered flags. Yeah. Oh, what a shame. What a shame. Beautiful car. Manual transmission, that old school 4-speed. Yeah, she's bad, guys. She's unfortunately really, really bad. I don't know what it would take to fix something like this, but I mean, it's the whole frame is tweaked. Everything is off. Look at this. That was a nasty, nasty hit. So either way, whether it was an RS or an SS, it doesn't matter. It's still a beautiful old Camaro, but the amount of damage there, that is significant. I love the seats, the diamond stitching. I mean, they did a good job. It looked nice. Behind it, we got a Lexus. What is this? A Lexus what? It's gonna be an electric vehicle, huh? That's a little bizarre looking. Why do they have to make EVs so strange? You know what I mean? It's a Lexus RZ 450 Direct 4. Look at the points. This thing looks like it was trying to be a car from the 50s with the fins, except they put the fins in the wrong place. Either that, or those are the engines for the Starship Enterprise. Like I don't know what's going on with it, man. Ooh. Oh, it smells divine. Look at that. My vocabulary went up like 10 points just by opening the door on this. Maybe that's what I need. Maybe I need to buy a Lexus. Need one of these in my life. Wonder what the range is. Only 11,000 miles. So how did it get here? And, whew, power. There we go. I just got it started up because I never seen, well, start it. Do you really start an electric vehicle? I don't know, guys. Oh, oil change? Wait, what? Oh, why is it freaking out? Oh, that is trippy. That's my camera, guys. My camera is trying to find an auto refresh rate there. That was wild. And I'll bet if I turn it away from it and I go back, no, it locked it in. Very good. This is a good camera, man. This is a really good camera. Battery range, 114 miles. And the battery is 70% charged. So what's the total range? This is a hybrid, I guess, right? So if I hit the gas, nope. I thought maybe the gas engine would fire up, but no, she ain't going to. Let's put it in drive. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey. All right, it's fine. Fine. Okay, hey. Good Lord. And look at the heads up display right there. That's kind of cool, man. I mean, it's just a bigger Prius, I guess. We still don't get the engine starting up when you hit the gas. At least a Prius would do that, man. And you got to push this down. So it's not this, it's this. That's reverse. Push down and turn again for drive. And then park is right there. And then brake hold, parking brake, traction control. And then this thing that probably watches your eyes. I don't know if this has like full self-driving or not. I don't know. Honestly, it was intriguing at first. Uh-oh. There we go. I thought it was locking me in. It was intriguing at first, but I quickly lost interest. It's bizarre looking, man. Absolutely bizarre looking. All day, every day, guys, if I had to pick between like something like this or something like that, I mean, not Rex, obviously. Obviously, I would choose this. Actually, you know what? I'd probably still choose this. That's just me. I'm a sucker for classic cars, man. EVs are all right, you know, but that Lexus is just, I don't know, not really for me. There's a Jag hiding back over there, but I think we've already looked at it before, and I think, honestly, that's probably about it. With that, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to get out of here. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button and let me know. Consider subscribing to the channel if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.